showcase.
Brad, this showcase is a high-tech extravaganza. Starting with this iMac, MacBook, iPhone, iPod Nano, and an iPod Shuffle. Email, download pictures, surf the web, text, and much more with this incredible collection of Apple gear, including your 1TB iMac computer, your awesome 13-inch MacBook laptop, this 32GB iPhone 3GS, your new 16GB iPod Nano, plus your 4GB iPod Shuffle. It's an Apple lover's dream. Next, your body will download all of its stress in this high-tech Steam.Shower. Relax in this revolutionary shower featuring a built-in steam room, hot tub, acupressure massage, TV, stereo system, hands-free phone, and even a refrigerator for cold drinks from MyBathUSA.com. Finally, Brett, high-tech hits the highway with this amazing smart car. It's the Smart Passion Cabriolet, engineered by Mercedes-Benz. The sporty convertible comes standard with halogen headlights, premium sound system, and hydraulic dual-circuit braking system. So, a collection of Apple electronics, a steam shower, and a smart car. It's all the high-tech you can expect, but only if the price is right.
All right, I'm going to go with $32,000. $32,000. All right, folks, we'll be right back. Find out who wins what, but after this, we'll go away.
Give us 4 weeks. You'll see more lashes. L'Oreal's new Lash Boosting Serum. Women said bare lashes appeared multiplied. Less lash loss during makeup removal. Use serum under mascara and overnight. See more of your own lashes. New Lash Boosting Serum by L'Oreal.
Trip to Italy to see the Sistine Chapel, which looks like it's in 3D when you see it up close. A trip to Malaysia and a trip to the Great Wall of China. You've been $22,000. Actual retail price $27,446. Tickets of $5,446. Brett had a pretty good day today. You spun the wheel for $1, got an extra $1,000, got a kiss from Amber. Good. So a bunch of Apple computer stuff, a steam shower, and a smart car. You've been $32,000. Actual retail price only $26,437. You went over.